Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Pisces. So these are for your daily energy, Pisces. We'll be picking 3 cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and love energy. We'll be picking 1 card each. So for your career situation, this is the card, guys, and for your relationship, this is the card, and for your Rumi oracle guidance, we'll be picking 1 card from this deck, the Rumi oracle deck. So I'll keep these cards aside. Let's start with the daily reading first, Pisces. It's 9 of Suns in reverse, Death in reverse, the Hermit in reverse, Pisces. Pisces, in your situation today, this may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation, guys. You may be seeing some obstacles or struggles to make things manifest. So whatever efforts and whatever work you do, that may not give you the expected results. So the fruits of your work efforts are not there, and you may feel stressed because of that, guys. And your plans, whatever you make for yourself, that may not manifest, guys. And for some of you, you may be making some immature decisions also without thinking. So you just want to make something out of your life, and you make some choices, maybe some rash choices without thinking. That may also lead you into some troubles today, guys. That is what I see. And some kind of delays you may be seeing, and you feel that whatever you do, efforts, or however you spend your time, your energy, and maybe your finances, you are not getting that result, and you feel that things are not going in a very positive way. So some kind of bad luck maybe there you may feel today, guys. And for some of you, you may even be having some minor illness today, guys. So that is also the energy here, guys. You may feel weak because of this illness or these problems, delays, whatever you're facing today. So you feel discouraged, and maybe for some of you, you may be really emotional today because of these problematic situations that you're facing. And for some of you, you may just be happy to be with yourself in your own world, in your own thoughts, and you may be isolating yourself that way. So you are not able to see what is right there in front of you. You are not living in this present. You are living in your dream world, guys. So you are not aware of what is right there in front of you. That is also what I see with these cards, Pisces. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's the Empress in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you may be coming to know about the truth in your situation, guys. So what is the reason for these troubles? What is the reason for things going in a negative way, things not manifesting? So you may know that secret, or something is coming into your notice, that truth is being revealed to you. So you will have that clarity, get that clarity in your situation today. That is what this card is about, guys. So for your relationship, what is the card? It's 5 of Swords in reverse, Pisces. So with this card, this may be what your person feels about you, or what you feel about your person. you may have some negative emotions about each other, guys. In this situation, you may feel this person is not true to you, they are not worthy enough for you. So some kind of stressful situation you may be having in your relationship. You may not share that great understanding with this person. Maybe both of you had understanding, maybe you were working on it, but now you may feel that it is not worthwhile, this connection is not worthwhile for you to put in your time and energy to make things work in this connection. So you just want them away from you. Some misunderstandings may be there, so that may be the reason that you are not able to move into a deep connection with this person, guys. So let us see what is the Rumi Oracle guidance card for you all, guys. Enter the garden of delights. This oracle comes with a special guidance message, guys. A new beginning is coming your way, something new. So all that from your past, whatever was not working for you, all that is going to end, guys. And whatever hold that has on you, that is also going to come to an end, and a celebration is imminent, guys. You are moving towards success. So that is what this card is about. So you can give up your worries, put your worries back, step into that beginning that is coming your way. Enjoy this present moment. So in your career situation or in your personal life, you may be getting a new person, or in your career some new projects or some successful turn of events is coming towards you, and that is going to help you, guys. That is going to give you that happiness and that sense of accomplishment today. So that is what I see with this card, and that is the oracle's guidance for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.